Good morning. I want to thank everybody for all the Facebook happy birthday wishes. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It did touch me to see all you guys reaching out and just giving me that quick happy birthday. It meant a lot, and I appreciate it very much. So let's talk about real estate real quick. I just want to bring some value to you guys and give you some updates of what's happening on the market. I've been saying it for the last, I guess, over a year or two. Sell. And a lot of people that have sold, they were like, "Oh, well, I should have waited. I should have waited to get more money for my property." Well, that might be so, but if you're going to buy another property, you wouldn't have gotten at that price that you got it back then, as you would now. So, yes, everything is irrelevant. I mean, if you waited, yeah, you'll probably sell your house for more money, but at the end of the day, you'll be paying for more. But if you're got to get out of the state of mind, if you want to make moves right now and capitalize on your house, now's the time to do it. And you'll get premium for it because of the shortage, and the market's really hot right now for sellers. It's incredible. And the biggest question is, okay, I sell the house, what am I going to do now, right? Where am I going to go? Well, you want to make that money work for you. And I've advised a lot of other people to use that money for investment properties. You get some cash flow coming in, and then you can utilize that money, that cash flow, to live for free. So for example, if you bought 2 investment properties with the money you profited from the capital gains, you can use that money to leverage your rental, even though rents have gone up, but you can still leverage yourself and possibly live for free for the money that you're making from good cash flow. And you might say, well, where would I find a good investment property these days? Well, the price is going to. There are a lot of great deals out there, off-market deals. They're all over the place. And that's what I do best. I find these deals for a lot of my investors. So if you guys want to see what the market looks like, click the link below of this video. Just so you can get a free look at the MLS market. You can get a home evaluation. I have these engines that will pump out some reports for you. So give it a try. You won't get harassed by anybody. Just fill it out. You can poke around. You can see what's happening here in South Florida. If you guys want any help in any commercial side of multifamilies or anything, storefronts or whatever, you can reach out and call me. And if anything happens, we can connect. This is Jason Davis from South Florida, and thank you very much, and we'll talk again later. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. It's Jason. I just want to say thank you to all of you for your birthday wishes. I appreciate it. It was very touching. It was great. I noticed every single one of you. So let's talk about real estate. As we still know, the market's still hot. Great time to sell. I've been saying that for the last couple of years. And even though you might have said, well, I should have sold later than before, it's irrelevant, because whatever you purchased back then, it would have been the same price. So everything is irrelevant. Everything has its time. You're never gonna time it perfectly. So whether you sold a little bit back then or you wanted to hold out and sell now, it's all irrelevant, because it's whatever you're gonna buy next and invest in whatever you're gonna do. But having said that, moving forward, if you're thinking about selling, by all means, do it. It's never been better. Prices are still premium, and you're gonna make a good amount of money on your capital gains. But what happens, a lot of people are saying, is that when I sell, where am I gonna go? What's the next step? When am I gonna go? What am I gonna do with the money? Well, I advise a lot of clients of mine that when you sell your property, you take the capital gains and you buy investment properties. And with these investment properties, will bring you some cash flow, which will allow you to live for free, depending on your living means. But with that cash flow coming in, will help you leverage your rental or your next purchase or whatever it is. But you got to use that money that you make to work for you. Okay, so it's all about leveraging money. So let's say you're sitting on a lot of cash in the bank, and if it's sitting there and it's not working for you, that's actually hurting you. Every time we got inflation going up, and if you're not an active investor in real estate, let's say you don't want to get involved, or you just don't feel like the risk is for you, I have other ways to help you to make that money work for you. And we have something called DPI, Diversified Passive Income, which we're doing a webinar on February 15th at 11 o'clock. You can go on my Facebook page and you'll see the ad there. Click in there and you'll get the Zoom link. And you'll see we do everything for you. And it's about you become the investor. You receive a fixed rate, very low risks, no headaches, very simple. And you're going to be getting great fixed returns, you know, anywhere between 6 and 10+%. This is a great vehicle to look at, and there's no fees, there's no headaches. We do all the work for you, and we're building relationships with a lot of great investors right now. So come to our webinar on February 15th at 11 o'clock. If you want more information, you can reach me at my jmdavispa Gmail. And if you want more information about the market, click the link below and you'll get home evaluations, generated reports. You can see for free, look at anything on the market, everything on the MLS. You can do searches and everything you want. Just click the link below. You won't get hassled. Nobody's gonna call you or bombard you. Just feel free to look around. And if you have any questions, you can always text me and reach me through that site, and we can go from there. All right, this is Jason Davis. We'll talk again later. Bye-bye.